Good morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning to all children. How are you children? I am sure you are fine at home. Stay at home children. You don't worry about your studies. We DePaul teachers are always there with you. So in this regard, your studies regard, we are bringing such videos. As you know, we cannot teach you now in the class. This is at present time it is class for you only. So these videos are very important. You can know each and everything of your lesson from these videos. So today I, Tapas sir, your grammar language teacher, today I have come with lesson 6, grammar way for standard 2 students. Lesson 6 is in the half yearly exam course, so it is very important lesson. Let's see the lesson what is there in lesson 6. Okay, pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are called pronouns. So today we will read about the pronoun in English. First we will know what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Means the word which we use instead of a noun, it is called pronoun. If we use a noun every time you want to say something about that noun in a sentence, we don't repeat that noun in every sentence. Rather, we use a pronoun after first time, after using the noun for first time, second, third, fourth, same sentence we are using for that noun, then please you have to add pronoun instead of the noun. So this is the word which we use instead of the noun. So this word is called pronoun. Now some examples of pronouns: I, he, she, you, they, them, their, we, us, our, it, he, her, and his. These are all pronouns. Remember, pronouns are also used for male, boy, girl, animal, bird, insect, non-living thing, place, everything that comes under noun we use pronoun. So let's move forward. Okay, now how to use a pronoun? You can see Subham reads in DePaul school. Subham is a boy. We are talking about Subham who reads in DePaul school. So he is obedient student. He is obedient student. Why we have put he there? Because he is used for male or boy. He is a pronoun used for boy or male noun. Subham is a male noun, boy. So we have used he in place of Subham noun. Next, number 2, Barsha is an intelligent girl. She gets first rank in the class. Barsha is an intelligent girl. Barsha is noun. Barsha is a girl. So instead of Barsha in the second sentence we have used she. She gets first rank in the class. So she is used for the female or girl noun. Third one, the tiger is a wild animal. It lives in jungle. It lives in the jungle. Tiger being an animal, and it is singular noun also, we have to use it. So we can use it for animal and non-living thing as well. Here animal is there, tiger. So I have written it. It lives in jungle. So in place of tiger, I have written it there in the second sentence. Question number 4. Mitali and Purab are my cousins. Mitali and Purab are my cousins. Here both names are given, one boy and another girl. So if more than one is there, then we can use they. They are older than me. They are older than me. So they is the pronoun used for plural nouns. Here plural nouns are there, Mitali and Purab. Two names are there. So instead of writing again Mitali and Purab, I have written they, the pronoun in place of the noun Mitali and Purab. Fifth one, Jaya and I are neighbors. Jaya and I are neighbors. So I along with Jaya, we both one I is pronoun, Jaya is a noun. So instead of writing again Jaya and I have used we pronoun. We are friends. I and Jaya, we are friends. Father said to Swati, you please give me a glass of water. Here father is talking to Swati. So here Swati is the noun for which we have used you. So instead of writing again Swati, please give me a glass of water, I have written the pronoun in place of Swati, noun. Swati being a girl. Here we can use you because you is a pronoun used for both male and female. So Swati said to, father said to Swati, you please give me a glass of water. So you is the pronoun used in place of noun Swati. Now, he is used for male or boy. As I told you, he is masculine pronoun. She is used for female or girl. She is used for, if it is ladies or female or girl, we use she. It is used for non-living thing or animal. It is used for non-living thing or animal. He is used when I and any other person is said about. Means we is used when I, if you and any other name is there along with you, then you can use there we. They is used when we are talking about more than two persons. They, as I told you, plural number are the plural nouns are there. There you have to use they instead of those two nouns. You is used for both male and female nouns. As I told you earlier, you is a pronoun you can use for both male as well as female. You can see here is a picture of a boy standing under a tree. The boy is standing under a tree. Being the boy a male, we have to use he is very tired. He is standing under a tree because he is very tired. The boy is a male, that's why we have used he in place of noun boy. Here one girl is dancing. So let's see the pronoun. Kavya is dancing now. Kavya is dancing now. So being a girl, Kavya, I have to write pronoun she in place of noun Kavya. She is a good dancer. She is a good dancer. She is used for noun Kavya. Now one we can see here tiger or lion, you can say whatever, you can say tiger. Here tiger is hiding behind the bushes. Okay, here lion is hiding behind the bushes. Lion is hiding behind the bushes. Lion is an animal. As I told you earlier, we can use it for non-living thing as well as animal. Here, lion being an animal, I have written there, it is a wild animal. Lion is a singular noun, and being an animal, I have to use it in place of noun lion. It is a wild animal. Now comes some children are playing in the playground or park. Let's see the sentence. The children are playing in the park. Okay. Children, plural noun. Children, more than one noun. So instead of children, again I have to write children are very happy. In place of children, I have written they are very happy. As I told you, don't repeat the sentence again and again. If you are talking about the same sentence, you can use the pronoun in place of that noun. So I have used children. Now children, in place of children I have used they, because children is the noun we are talking about. So in the second sentence I have written they in place of the noun children. Here one boy and one girl is standing in the bus stop waiting for the bus. Let's see the sentence, children. Okay, I and Monica were waiting for the bus. I and Monica were waiting for the bus. As I told you, if you and any other name is there along with you, you have to use the pronoun we. Means you are also there in that sentence. So you have to use we. We is used where you and along with you any other name is there. Here you can see I is there. Along with you, Monica is also standing. So, use we pronoun. We both read in same school. We both read in same school. We is used for I and Monica noun. We, and we is generally used for plural number. Here two children are there, I and Monica. So, we have to use we. Here one boy and girl standing. Let's see the sentence. Teacher told to Amit and Sita. Now the boy is Amit, girl is Sita. Teacher told to them, you both came late to school. Here, as I told you, you can use for singular noun as well as plural noun. You can use for boy as well as girl. Here two children are there, one is boy, another is girl. So, teacher told to them. Teacher told to Amit and Sita. So, instead of writing Amit and Sita, I have written pronoun you in place of them. You both came late to school today. Now, start the exercise portion. Circle the pronoun. Also underline the naming word they are used in place of. Means you have to circle the pronoun and you have to write the naming word, underline the naming word as well in the sentence. Uma has a younger brother. He is 3 years old. So pronoun here in the second sentence is he. He is the pronoun in the question number 1. But he is used for the noun brother. He is used for the noun brother. In the first sentence, brother is the noun, and for that brother is a male or boy. That's why he is used in place of noun brother. So he is the pronoun. I have circled it. Next question 2. Sarmila is going to school by car. Sarmila is going to school by car. She missed her school bus. You can see Sarmila is a girl. It is a noun. For that noun Sarmila, she is written. She missed her school bus. She is the pronoun and it is also circled. I have circled the she pronoun. And for which pronoun she is written? For Sarmila. Sarmila is a girl, so she is written. Question number 3. Lina and Viva are my friends. They live nearby. As I told you, if it is more than one noun, you can see at both more than one name is there. Lina and Viva are both girls. So we have used they live nearby. So they is the pronoun used for Lina and Viva. So Lina and Viva is noun underlined. They is pronoun circled. Question number 4. Doris liked reading this storybook. It has a lot of pictures. So in this question number 4, noun is storybook, about whom we are talking. So it is used for noun storybook. A storybook is a non-living thing, so it is singular also. If one storybook is there, we have to write it. If more than one, they. If more than one storybook, if it would have been storybooks, they would have been the pronoun. But here only one storybook we are talking about, so we have to write it. As I told you, it is used for animals or birds or non-living thing. Here storybook is a non-living thing, so it is the pronoun, so it is circled, and storybook is a noun, it is underlined. Now bit number B, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Let's see the questions, children. Okay, question number 1. Do not eat too many sweets. They are bad for your health. Teeth. Do not eat too many sweets. Full stop. They are bad for your teeth. Here they is the pronoun, so it is underlined. Father is in the kitchen. He is cooking dinner. Father is in the kitchen, first sentence. Second sentence, he is cooking the dinner. He is the pronoun used for noun father. He is underlined. Tanvi is feeling hungry. She wants to eat a snack. Tanvi is the noun. We have used the pronoun she for Tanvi. Tanvi is a girl, so she is the pronoun in the second sentence. Chandigarh is a nice city. It is green and clean. Chandigarh is a name of a place, so there we cannot use any other pronoun. We have to use it, as Chandigarh is a singular noun, so it is it. It is green in color. It is the pronoun. Now we will move on to bit number C. Match the correct sentence. Here both columns, some sentences are there. You have to match according to the first sentence, right answer from the second sentence. First one is, don't eat this apple. The correct answer is, it is rotten. Don't eat this apple, it is rotten. Riya, stop talking. You are disturbing the class. Somebody told to Riya, Riya, stop, please stop talking, you are disturbing the class. Children are playing in the sand. They are building sand castle. Children are playing in the sand. They are building sand castle. Question number 4. My friend and I love badminton. Answer is, we also like football. We also like football. Question number 5. Parthiv has to catch a bus to school. Answer is, he is in a hurry. Parthiv has to catch a bus to Goa. He is in a hurry. Parthiv has to catch a bus to Goa. He is in a hurry. Question number 6. Madhvi has many coloring books. She likes to color. Madhvi has many coloring books. She likes to color. This is bit number C match the correct sentences. Now D, bit number D, circle the correct pronoun to answer each question. Means question is given and option is given in the answer. You have to circle the correct pronoun. Do you know that man? Answer: yes, he or she. Two options are given. Is Mr. Ashok Gulati? Mr. Ashok Gulati is a male, so you have to circle he. So she, yes, he is Mr. Ashok Gulati. Question number 2. Who are those children? Answer: we or they are my friends. So what will be the correct pronoun? They are my friends. So they is circled. Are Rajat and you cricketer? Answer is written: no, we or they are not cricketer. Correct answer is no, we are not cricketers. We is the pronoun, correct pronoun, so circled it. Does that box have a video game? Yes, it or he is Parul's friend. Yes, it is Parul's friend. Now this lesson is over, children. This is a very important lesson for your half yearly exam. Pronoun. So everything about pronoun I have told you in this video in detail. And if you watch this video seriously, repeatedly at home, you will have all idea about pronoun. And if any doubt arises from this lesson, please inform me. I am there to help you always. So be serious about your studies. Your half yearly exam is coming near. My request to you, use the time proper way, because now this is the only medium through which we are teaching you. So use it in a best way, not only to know the lessons but also in preparing for the exam. Thank you, children, for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe. Till we meet again with such video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.